We've welcomed Learn2Print here today to obviously promote Heidelberg, our products, and talk about what we do within the industry, but also to encourage them to get involved with the trade, to see the potential, to learn from everybody within the industry. It's a critical time for these guys to get involved with the software and to learn about print. We've taken on an apprentice through Learn2Print, Connor, but one of the key elements in that is he needs to be able to present to our customers. So today he's given a full demonstration and presentation of our digital software and our digital presses. Heidelberg is investing in the next generation of printers, and it's important to us that we see that coming through the business, particularly with Connor as well.
I absolutely love working for Heidelberg. For me, Heidelberg is the best at what we do, which is selling high quality machinery. We invited Learn2Print out as they only see what they work on. We thought it would be a good idea to show them what something different is like and what Heidelberg can offer for them.
We've spent the day at Heidelberg headquarters in the UK. We've brought along around 9 to 10 apprentices. Just a brilliant opportunity for them to have a look at all the equipment and the kind of things that Heidelberg offer to the printing industry. And in this digital world that print offers to us, there's massive opportunities out there to keep progressing and developing ourselves. But the apprenticeship's there for you, as you can see from all the young people that we've got here today. Opens loads and loads of doors into the industry.
Heidelberg is an exceptional place to come to if you're looking for an apprenticeship. We've obviously got apprenticeships in various areas, various disciplines, but yeah, a great company that invests heavily in the next generation in the apprentice scheme. If you're interested in coming to work for Heidelberg, we have a large social media presence. There is a website, there are lots of other ways of following us. We're always looking for people. If people are interested, please reach out, come and talk to us, come and see us if you need to. We want to interact with the next generation. We need those people to come through the industry. If anyone's interested, please give us a call.